And welcome back. 2012 Olympic double sprint silver medalist Yohan Blake says Tokyo 2020 will be his last Olympic Games. Blake also says he has changed his mind about not doing the sprint double this season. Yohan Blake taking the silver medals behind the legendary Usain Bolt in the 100 and 200 meters at the London 2012 Olympic Games will be forever etched in the minds of Jamaicans and sporting fans worldwide. After recovering from a near career-threatening hamstring injury, Blake just missed out on a podium finish in the 100-meter final at the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, placing fourth. Now 30 years old, Blake is eyeing his third Olympic appearance. But in describing his performance at last year's World Championships in Doha as poor, he says Tokyo will be his last in the Olympic arena.
I run in the semi-final poorly. That cost me a better lane in the finals, which cost me a medal. But this year I'm more wiser going into the Olympics, and this is going to be my last Olympics, and I'm putting everything to it. But everything is coming on perfectly.
Following his performance in Doha last year, where he also failed to make the 200-meter final, Blake had said he would not be doing the sprint double this season. But with an official change of coach, Blake also has a change of heart about not doing the sprint double this season.
Well, Gregory Little formulated a plan for us, a coach, and it has been working perfectly, going back to the over distance. And getting back my 200, that means I'll be getting back to 9.8 and 9.7, which I know I can. I'm talented, and I see where I'm improving in training.
And as for new coach Gregory Little, who is a former national junior and senior representative in the 400-meter hurdles, Blake says he can return to running very fast under his guidance.
The first time I ran 19:26, Gregory was the one out there working with me on the track the day before running that second fastest time in the world. So I have experience working with him. He knows what he's doing, and he's very dedicated in the sport.
And Blake opened his season at the Camperdown Classics on the weekend, where he clocked 48.24 seconds for third in his 400-meter heat.